again, Hutchwians, we are here looking at cars.
I like
the
that.
Rod Run. Here we go. Lincoln. That's the one you want?
$12,500 for that. I used to buy those back in the 90s for $600.
Yep.
The one I had, LTD, looked just that good too.
Looking pretty sharp. Anybody want to buy it?
That's beautiful.
There it is. Zoom in on it. Oh, look at this one. 1969 Camaro. I already saw my dream car back up the way. It was a red Camaro convertible. It was a convertible. It has to be convertible. You're going to get an old car. That's my opinion. What do you think? You got any opinions?
I like this.
Oh, look at that. That's sharp.
I like this. Smokey and the Bandit.
Smokey and the Bandit.
That's awesome.
These are awesome. I'm not even looking at these over here. Look at these. I'm like walking by. I'm just staring at all these.
Another one of those.
A Fairlane. Oh yeah. And this is how people get around. Beep beep. Pontiac Trans Am. Nice. We saw one of those driving on the road. I know. Look at that. That's nice. Look at that 39 Ford.
So if I did a show here in town, I'd be down here passing out flyers for it.
We'll give away our idea. Who wants to come see us in concert?
Let's get out on the parkway.
Who wants to come see us in concert? Me, 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 me. Comment. Give us a comment. Give us a thumbs up. Send us a private message, an email. Let us know if you want to come and see us sing here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Right?
Yeah.
What are you going to sing?
Music.
Music? What kind of music? Anything you can think of?
Yeah.
Oldies? I'm sitting here looking at us. We should be looking at the cars.
Yeah, show the cars.
Cars. 1972. Cars. It's your doggy. That was a doggy. Did you see the doggy?
Yeah, I did. Doggies are enjoying the car show.
People are looking at us, carrying the camera, talking to it.
Everybody thinks they're
There's what we
crazy.
need. That golf cart back there. That holds about 6 people.
There's one right there.
Here we go, look. It's the Hawk in the green Nova.
That's pretty cool.
Todd, you like Novas, don't you? Did Todd used to have a Nova?
No, you had a Gremlin.
A Gremlin, that's right. You're the one who likes Novas, right?
Yeah, I like Nova.
I think Todd likes them too. 2 peas in a pod. Rod and Todd. Ha ha ha, that rhyme. There's a rat under his hood. What is this? A Mercedes-Benz. Look at that, people. It's for sale. More cars. Cars, cars, cars. Look at that. That's cool. I like that. For vlogging. Everybody's going to be in the vlog. All the cars, all the people. We're doing the walking for the people. Look at that. I like that. It's kind of neat. Different. Unique. Huh? You like it? There you go, babe. This is it. You and your family. Put the cardboard box on top of it, add some paneling to it. Look, they caught a rat. They pulled away with the gas pump. And they got all the picnic gear in the back. Surfboards on the top.
That's got a 3rd row seat in it.
That is crazy. How many people remember the station wagons with the 3rd row seat? That is crazy. It's for sale. Drive anywhere. They want $9,500 or best offer for that. Who wants to be the taker? You want to be the taker? Casper the Friendly Ghost. call the Ghostbusters. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters.
That's the one you want to go see?
Look at that one.
Nice.
1968 Plymouth. Look at this. That's pretty cool and weird looking. Oh, look at the paint job on this one. Can you see the flames, people? Can you see the flames? It's for
Pretty.
sale or trade. Look at that Thunderbolt. It's a Fairlane.
I'm surprised they didn't redid the chrome though on that one.
That'd have been nice.
They painted it. Maybe it's an old paint job.
Maybe. Maybe a real old one. Who knows? We're walking and filming and walking and filming.
We had one of those.
Did ya?
Yeah.
That's nice. I'd zoom in on it, but it don't look real good. Look at that. $24,500 for a 2008 Mustang. This one's for sale too, people. What is that?
I think they're all for sale. I want to say Dodge Dart.
Dodge Dart? I don't know. Go look. Tell me what it is. Plymouth Valiant. Ah, nice. Are you going to look at the Rambler? Huh?
I was just looking at that.
Oh, I thought you were going to go look at the Rambler. I was following you. Look at this. What is it with rats? People got rats under their hood, rats on the roof. What is that?
I don't know.
Ooh, look at that. Next to this one. It's for sale. That's pretty cool looking. Oh, look at there. At that car. Not the cop car, the other car. Hey, I saw that truck in our parade, I believe. The one that had the American flags on it.
It's Continental.
Does that say 12,000 original miles on
That's what
it?
it says.
Nice. Rod's checking it out. Anybody looking for an old car for sale? There's lots of them here. Lots of them here. All you gotta do is come to the Rod Run. Come to the Rod Run in Pigeon Forge. They have one in the spring and one in the fall. There's a station wagon all the way over there. I'm doing the walking for everybody. This time last year, Rod couldn't even get past 6 cars without having to sit down and take a rest. I had to literally, I think he walked maybe an hour total, and I had to take him back to the truck and take him home because he was so wore out from his supraventricular tachycardia and his heart medicine and everything, so I had to take him home. This year, he's walking a lot. Look at this car. Let's go look at this car. We're going to check it out. That's okay. Nice. Look at that car, would you people?
That is nice.
Look at this one. You don't see a lot of these. That's a Thunderbird. What year you think it is? For sale or trade?
That is Schwinn. Just like that.
We're at a car show and Rod's checking out the bike. There's some more back here. Those are my kind of seats, man. I need a seat like those back there. I need a seat like those back there. Real big.
Saddle seat.
Saddle seat, yep. 29 Ford Ranger is what the windshield says. Somebody took a lot of time fixing that up with license plates. What do you think? Putting an oil can on the front. I like the hood ornament.
I know, he's trying to get out of front of it.
The station wagon. That's another Rambler. That's cool. Oh wait, now you gotta look at this. Corvette. Nice. There are cars and cars and cars and cars and more cars, right, babe?
Yeah. I'm tired of walking already.
You are tired of walking already?
After you bragged about it.
I bragged on you. I bragged on how well you were doing this year.
Yeah.
And you're just so tired now.
Made me tired of walking.
There goes the Mustang. Lots of nice cars. That one's only $8,500, babe. Go buy it. Lots of cars. Look at that one. I think that's about a 71.
I don't know.
81 Corvette needs
Todd
some
was
work.
guessing all the dates. I don't know. When he was here.
Todd, help us out. You're watching this one. Help us out with the ones we don't know.
My buddy.
Now that's the pink car. Is that a T-Bird?
Yeah.
That looks like the color of poppies almost, don't it? He's got a, what's he got? That's a, his T-Bird, what year is it? He's got a 56 T-Bird, that's black. But then he's got another one that's teal. What year is it?
60-something.
60-something?
Yeah. We walked a long way already.
Yeah, what is this?
Like,
Dodge?
Dodge something. That means we gotta walk that way a long way back.
Yeah, we'll be alright.
Yeah, across there. Let's go ahead.
Oh, we better go. We better go. We better hurry. We're gonna walk fast. Put your running
8,
shoes on.
7, 6,
Can you make it?
5, 4.
3, 2. Can you make it? 1. We didn't make it.
We made it.
I think he's got an old radio. Okay, we gotta slow down and people won't be able to see the cars.
Oh, you still filming?
Yeah. I started filming us walking across the street. I've started to stop. Look at that. It has cold air.
Jimmy Allen had one of those.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Look at the station wagon over here. For sale, any takers?
Me.
You want to be a taker? Oh, look at that back there. A Dodge. What is that?
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
76.